Topic from the basic features of Magic Studio, that is grabbing a text. A lot of times we struggle or we get some image that we want to get the text from and we have to type it out. But no more. With Magic Studio, you can grab the text from the images. How do you do it? Let's find out. So this is an easy text and I want to grab the text from this image. I have an image, I edit the image and I select grab text. This is a pro feature once again. So here it automatically selected or all text, or I can click on what text I want to grab. All text, and I grab it and I have it. Should do it pretty quickly because it's not a lot of text here, and we are done. So I have the text grabbed. I can use it differently. I can copy it, I can do all that you can do with the text. So you will say this was simpler to grab. Let's say we have this one and I want to grab the text from this image. I go back to edit, I go back to grab, I select all text. It's still reading, let it read. Once it's done with reading, I select all text and I click on grab and it grabs all the text. You see it has selected the text that it's going to grab and it grabs the text for you the way any usual text is. Okay, from this one. So this is from a blog article, newspaper article, and it has a lot of text. I go back to edit image, I click on grab text, it is reading the image. I have options to click, and for all text I click on all text, I click on grab, and I'll have all of the text that's here grabbed out to be used in a document or in your. So here I have, this is the image, I delete the image and I have all this text as separate text blocks, and here. So that's grab text for you, an amazing feature, very useful and very handy, but you have to be a Canva Pro user for the same. Give it a try once again. Let me know if you have any questions. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.